In our last video, we print out this empty board, right? So let's make a copy of that to string. Okay, let's put a comment here. Yeah, can we oh, not good. So can I do that? No. Is there any is a good way to do that? Delete that. Can I do that? Okay, never mind. So what we want to do is what about this? Let's try the other way of the comment, the Java document comment. This one, I guess it should be same. Yeah. So so there's no good way to do that. Let me make a copy of this one. Okay. No. So what I want to do is this. I hate it. So never mind. I'll just, right? I can just make a copy of this one, and now I can replace this. Hopefully, yeah, this works. So let's do this. Okay, add a label here. Let's start from 0. Programmers like to start index from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So of course we can just hard coded that, right? And put it here. So board string plus equal this guy, right? Let's give a try. Save it. So we can click this one here to test again. Oh, we forgot the line break. Okay, so let's add another line break so we can copy this one, move up here. This time it should work. Let's give a try again. Yeah, you see, exactly what we need. But we don't like hard coded thing, so let's make it dynamic. Try to use this guy, right? Yes, the answer is for loop. For column. Yeah, so what is that? This last is columns. Now we can move in this guy to convert a number to a string. This is the trick. Try to use an empty string, right? Plus that one. This is an integer, but before it's concatenated, right? Concatenated with the string, right? It will be converted to the string first. Now let's test it. So we need a space here. Yeah, now it's good. So next, let's try to add a label like here. And we need to push that right to the right here, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means in front of each row, right, we need to insert the index, row index. So in this is the row, right? In front of each row, it means we have to put the code here. So brd plus equal, what should we put here? The row, right? Do we need the space? Let's see. Test. Okay, good. We only need to add an extra space in front of this 0. Yeah, we can start from a space. Now let's try it again. Yes, that's exactly what we need. Okay, see you next time.